Doormats are not something that you can simply walk on without noticing. It's the first thing that your guests will see when they enter your house. So, how about creating something awesome that can make a statement? Here's how you can DIY a wow-worthy first impression. For this DIY, you will need a rope approximately 20 meters, a pair of scissors, and hot glue gun. Take the rope and apply hot glue gun to start the coiling process. After every small sections, apply a thin layer of hot glue on the outer ring so that the coils stay in place. Snip it off when you're happy with how it looks. It doesn't have to be in any accurate size. Now just secure the ends of the rope with hot glue so it stays in place. Make more rope coils in different sizes and place them in a setting you prefer. You want the coils to be as close together as possible, leaving small gaps in between. Use the hot glue to adhere them together where the coils touch. This is how the complete look should look like. Believe it or not, I'm totally in love with how it's turned out. What do you guys think of this DIY? Do let me know in the comments below. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.